Why did the chicken cross the road? Baba. I have a question. I have a joke for you. What's black and white and red all over? Baba. Baba. Okay, I have another joke. Knock knock. Baba. Baba. What did one dog say to the other dog? Baba. Hey, guess what? Guess what? Baba. Well, you know what I think about that. Baba.